welcome to this week's episode of our Huddle.
Awesome.
And there's one fun fact about myself is that back in the 80s, I once made out with a soap opera star.
Woo!
So there you have it. You
Which
want
soap
more?
opera star?
If you want to find that out, you'll have to come and see me.
All right.
Take it away,
Thank you,
Rich
special guest star.
and Gretchen.
Thank you.
That's
Oh,
Roseanne.
and
Roseanne.
Roseanne.
Got it.
All right. This week we're talking about a couple of things. Welcome some new hires. We have a few. Ben and Owen.
And Glada will be starting soon.
Yes. And so
A couple others.
if you see a new face, welcome them. You can feel welcome.
Self-evals due today. So if you haven't gotten it done yet, you will likely be late in submitting that. You might see some communication come out on the intranet stating that they're due later in February. We had determined our date for food service at St. Agnes to be the 31st of January, so that's what we're sticking with. So if you haven't done it, get on there, do it as soon as possible. And then once that's done, we will be setting up our one-on-one meetings to talk about your performance reviews together.
Yes.
So yay!
Okay, some performance board updates. So as you can see, this has not changed, so these are a little bit old. So for February, we're going to change and do some updates. We're looking for some feedback from all of you on what we can put under these topics up here. So come see one of us or both of us, and then we can get this board re-energized and going. All right? Okay.
Hey, today we had a little celebration for Eileen's 10-year work anniversary. Woo! Congratulations, Eileen. Her actual anniversary is tomorrow,
Right.
February 1st. Eileen is one of our dietitians. If you haven't met her, she has an office right outside the department next to Rich's.
Okay.
So congratulate her next time you see her.
Open positions right now. I have a 0.8, but I have an offer going out, so I may be full. And Roseanne,
I have a 0.8 also that has part lead, part food service associate. I may have an offer going out for that one too, but that one's still in the works. The new mobile meal magnets are about to be in full swing. If you look behind Rich, there's an example of one. So the leads received some communication on this, but if you are a 31, you will have these on the route carts now, and the mobile meal drivers will use them to identify themselves. They'll stick it to their car, they'll return it when they're done. If you're the 31 and you notice that there's some wear and tear on them from the weather, you can wipe them down when they come back, just when you're taking apart the trays. So that will be new starting next week. Also starting next week, we have expanded our routes a little bit, So all of the routes will have the capacity to hold 12 clients. So we're doing this because we've had such an extensive wait list for people that want to participate in the mobile meals program. There's a really great need for that in the community. It's a really good service for people to be able to have a nutritious meal, especially when they might have some limitations of getting out of the house or having access to food. So we're working to expand that to improve our service to the community. So you'll notice that the routes will probably be a little bit bigger, which might add a little bit of time, but we'll kind of work through that and see what we need to adjust with the workflows.
yes, and don't freak out if there's 60 mobile meal clients, because that was our goal. So we will get there and we'll work through it, like Roseanne said. Last but not least, nothing new, but I want to talk about cell phones and personal electronic devices. You guys know the rules. You shouldn't be carrying them while we are working. Fine to use them on break, but not while you're working cell phone's one of the things that can harbor a lot of bacteria. So if you're picking it up out of your pocket, using it, especially if you have gloves on, you haven't changed, it just becomes a distraction. So we don't want to do that. So if you want to keep it close by, put it in your mailbox over there. A lot of people do that, but feel free. And if you don't have a mailbox, guess what? Go see Gretchen. She will make sure you do. So, no cell phones, personal electronic devices, no earbuds in while you're working. It's just, again, it's a distraction. You may not hear something going on, and we want to be safe with it. So, I think that's all we have for this week's Huddle.
That's it. Join us next week for a brand new edition. And if you'd like to be a special guest star, come see us.
Come see us.